Let us determine the shaded area. Of course, there is no shading, so let's do shading first. So we got a square of side measuring 1 unit by 1 unit. What we did is we divide the square into two parts, half each, and we see that area of the shaded region is simply half a square unit. Area of shaded region is equal to half a square unit. But that's not done. We shade another half of half. So how much is the area of the shaded region? First we got half square unit, and then half times halves, that is 1/4. Are we done? The answer is no. We shaded another half of the left out. So we get half a square unit plus 1/4 plus 1/8. The obvious question is, if we continue this way, what will be the area of the shaded region? So let's shade another half of the remaining out region. So the obvious question is, how much will be the area of the shaded region if we continue this way infinitely many times? Can we determine it? Of course, yes. Let's call this to be equal to S. We expect the area of shaded region to be equal to 1 unit. Is that true? Let's multiply this by S. Let's call this one to be equation 1. And we multiply equation 1 by 2. So we write S equal to half plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus dot 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 once again. And we multiply left hand side and right hand side by 2. So we can say 2S equal to 2 times half, which is 1, then 2 times 1/4, then 2 times 1/8, and so on. So we can say that 2S equal to 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/4 plus dot dot dot. Let's call this one to be equation 2. And we subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So we write negative, 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 negative. You see that half and half will get cancelled. 1/4 and 1/4 will get cancelled. Let's write 1/8 the next term. Obviously it is 1/8. And 1/8 and 1/8 will also get cancelled. So you get one number of S minus two number of S, that is minus S equal to minus 1. From there we can say that S, the area of the shaded region, must be equal to 1 unit. In other words, if we continue this process infinitely many times, then we will be covering whole of the region, or we will be shading all of the square.